working in groups, and everything is on Google Classroom. So if you look, the first thing I'm going to show you is here. It's at the bottom. It's the Julius Caesar Video Project, and it's the video timeline. Okay? With this, I have it laid out day by day. Alright, this is set up where you can view it, but you cannot edit it. So you guys, everybody can open this up and look at it without messing with it. The purpose of this project, alright, is in your groups, you will create a movie using still images to portray the act you have been assigned. There are going to be 5 groups, and each group has a different act. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Are you picking?
You must address all the scenes within the act. Okay, so you have to do something with them. You have to go through each scene, and you need to make sure that you use creativity and you stay focused on what you're doing. Yeah. Your projects will be shown Friday, March 27th for a test grade. All right. Now, you will do a group review on a Google form. You will have 6 spaces, and you will type your name at the top, obviously, and you will grade your group member, each group member, 1 through 10 like you did for your last group project with your partners. Okay? This is a quiz grade by itself. So if there are 2 people that are working and the other 3 or 4 people are not working, they're just goofing off and playing, I'll be able to know. And you need to be honest in this because there is no way for your other group members to see what your score was. Okay? What they scored, what you scored them. Okay? So do your work. Carry your own weight. Now, if you look below, this is the rubric. And I'm going to show you the storyboard first. So at the top you have your storyboard. This is a Google Doc. This is what the storyboard looks like. I only have 2 of these on. I only have 2 of these on this page, but you can just click it and copy and paste it as many as you need. You need a minimum of 15 of these. 15, and it's like each picture. So it wouldn't, 15 really isn't even enough. It would be like each step in each scene. Okay? And look on here. You cannot edit this. The first 25 points of the project comes from the storyboard itself. So, did the students create a storyboard of photos showing excellent skill in using transitions? So it's trying to see the flow, that you've got this laid out. You know how this is going to work. The next 25 points, so this is half of your grade right here, comes from the accuracy. All right, comes from the accuracy of your project to the play. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Now, the other points, you get 15 points for images and videos. So the students show excellent skills in creating images that relate to the music. So you make sure that the music goes along with it. The special effects are used independently and add meaning to the images. And then titles and credits and word placement. You obviously will have word placement because you're going to be going from scene to scene. Okay? And if you're doing like just still photos, then you're going to have to put the dialogue at the bottom. Kind of like a comic book. Okay? And then the last 10 points comes from the references. You will need a title and credits and stuff with that too, excuse me. But the last 10 points comes from the references, which is your works cited page. So if you use any pictures that or anything else, whatever source you use to pull Julius Caesar from, whether it was your textbook or Spark Notes or whatever you use, make sure that you cite and works cited because otherwise it will be plagiarism. Okay? Alright, now, what you need to do, I'm going to let you get in your groups. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to get in your groups. Alright, you guys know pretty well where you're going. You need 5 or 6. There will be 3 groups of 6 and 2 groups of 5. Okay? 3 groups of 6 and 2 groups of 5. So when you get in your group, look up here. When you get in your groups, one person needs to open up this file. I will come around and tell you your number, and you just need to write the names of all the people in your group on these lines.
It's shared with everybody.
It is shared with everybody.
You can see this.
Yeah, I can see it. Okay? I don't know if you're in group 1 yet, though. So, all right, so 30 seconds. Josh, 30 seconds.